Today we're going to be making this delicious tuna and tomato pasta bake. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. This easy tuna pasta bake is made with a creamy tomato sauce and topped off with lots of lovely cheddar and mozzarella. I've got the oven preheating to 190C or 375F and a large pan of water coming to the boil, and we're going to start by par cooking the pasta. I've got 400 grams or 14 ounces of dried pasta. I'm using pasta shells, but any other pasta shape will work fine. Add that to the pan of boiling water and cook for a minute less than the recommended time on the back of the pack. For mine, that's 10 minutes. Whilst the pasta is cooking, heat a tablespoon of vegetable oil on a medium heat in a large frying pan. Add a large diced onion and cook for 3 to 4 minutes until the onion is softened. Next, we're going to chop up a red and yellow bell pepper and add that to the pan. Next in goes 300 grams or 10.5 ounces, which is 2 small tins of tuna fish. I'm using albacore tuna for this, as I really like the taste. It's got a kind of meatier, creamy texture to it, and it's full of omega-3s as well. Add a pinch of salt and pepper, 2 minced cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, and a teaspoon of dried oregano. Stir all that together and cook it for about a minute or two. Now we add 2 400 gram or 14 ounce tins of chopped tomatoes and 120 ml or half a cup of double or heavy cream. Stir it together and bring to a gentle simmer. By now the pasta should be cooked through, so we're going to drain it in a colander and then add that to the tuna and sauce. Stir everything together, and then you can either transfer to a large baking dish, or if your pan's oven proof, you can bake it straight in the pan. Top with 100 grams or a packed cup each of grated mature cheddar and grated mozzarella. Place in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes until the cheese is golden brown. Serve topped with a sprinkling of freshly chopped parsley. And there you go, that's my delicious creamy tuna tomato pasta bake. It makes a brilliant weeknight meal and one that the kids absolutely love. See you next time.